Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is a truck with a dead loop. The concrete mixer, the bulldozer, and the loader return to the garage. Pickup truck, do you want to park too? Hurry up! Cars, you can get in. Look, the orange truck is left outside. The garage is too small. Cars, come out. We need to build a new garage, a bigger one. Let's build it here. The road roller is leveling the asphalt on the site. The concrete mixer brought cement mixture. It pours the foundation. The crane puts supports for the ramp so the cars can drive up to the second floor of the garage. And here is the ramp. The big truck brought walls and doors. Even the helicopter works at the construction site. It brought the front wall of the garage. Everything is ready. Now the garage has 2 floors, and there is enough space for everyone. The construction vehicles are parking on the first floor. And who will go to the second floor? The pickup truck and the police car. The cars are in the garage, and there are 3 available spots. Who do you think will park here?
Helper cars.
Look at all these cars. They all came to ride. This is a dead loop. The barrier opens. Go cars, ambulance, fire truck, taxi, police car, and cabriolet. Wow, it's so fun! Today, helper cars will build another slide. This is a crane. It drives to the construction to put parts of the new track. Here you are. And these are parts of the new track and supports that will hold the track. And this is a concrete mixer. We need cement mixture to install the supports properly. The crane gently lifts one part of the track and puts it in place. We need a turn here. Like this. And the helicopter is bringing the biggest and most interesting part of the new track. This is a transparent pipe through which the cars will have to pass. The helicopter lowers the part very slowly and gently. Done! The police car will drive on the new track first. Accelerate! Up the slide. Go! The car is driving too slowly and slips in the pipe. We'll finish the track now. Here we'll install a green tunnel. Let's replace this part with a blue platform for accelerating. And put a fence at the turn so that the cars don't fall down at high speed. You can drive. The ambulance passes the tunnel. It accelerates and drives through the glass pipe. Excellent! Now the taxi. Accelerate. The taxi passes it too. Cabriolet, it's your turn. All the cars liked the new track. Thank you, construction cars. The crane, the concrete mixer, and the truck return to the garage. Helper cars are preparing the track for the big race. The loader puts soft tires on dangerous turns for safety. The police car brought cones to block the road for ordinary cars. The crane set the traffic light at the start line. And these are the participants of the race, small cars. Look, some of them are brought by car hauler. Cars, get down. The race will begin soon. The cars start the engines. Red, yellow, green, go! There is a dead loop ahead. They are so fast! All the cars pass through. Quick turn ahead. Oh, the yellow car couldn't pass it. The tow truck leaves the garage. The tow truck helps the racing car to roll over. Now you need to take it in for repair. For the yellow car, the race is over. Racers begin the second lap. The blue car with number 5 is leading. Everyone passed the dead loop. And the turn as well. Cars pass the tunnel. Transparent pipe. At the turn, the purple car overtakes the green one. Who will come first? Finish! Hooray! The race is over. In third place is the orange car with number 2. In second place is the red car. And the winner is the blue car. Congratulations! After the race, the crane removes the traffic light. The road sweeper is cleaning the track. Well done, helper cars.
Helper cars.